this data that this execution ran, why
Mm.
some records moved and why some records did not move. How do I do that? Okay. Here it is only stop shape, so no problem. What if I am inserting to database and some Sakshi comes and tells that why did I not go to database? Okay.
Mm.
So how do I do that scenario is you go to this option, you
Mm.
click on the success.
Mm. Test mode.
This will simulate the same execution that ran. You
If
go to,
suppose if any process is failed, then in that case we need to
you
check
go
that.
to error and see. Even if it is success also, if you put a try catch, it won't show as a failure, Sakshi. You remember,
Right.
right?
Uh-huh.
But that is what I'm telling you. Suppose there is one more Sakshi in Bombay.
Mm.
She comes and asks, why did I not go to the, suppose there's a database, there is a no database. Why is my record not data in database? So we have a business tool to do that, right? If suppose I want to understand why I did not move also, I should understand what is the rule, right? So
Yeah.
if why did I miss, if I have to see, I have to do like this, go to this, rerun documents in test mode. That way.
Mm. Okay.
Mm. So that's how I,
Okay.
so that is about this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you want to troubleshoot also in business rules or whatever whatever shape whatever it is, if you want to see see here, the idea is this data is hard coded, so every time it is the same data. Sometimes you will get data from APIs also. Okay, their
Mm-hmm.
data is not stored anywhere. In that scenario, if you want to see what is the data, why some failed, some did not fail, this is how you do it.
Okay.
So
So
this
if,
is business.
uh,
Tell me.
if the data is coming from the API,
Hmm.
then for the API integration, the process is also same for creating the interface.
I didn't understand your question. Can you repeat?
If suppose is a API, suppose there is a API integration. So for that API integration, also the process is same for creating the interface.
Process is same, but how do you expose this as an API? You have to create an additional layer
Hmm.
and wrap this up with that API layer, and then you create an API. We will create one API. I will show you.
Suppose we have this process. If you go to the build tab,
This process also we can put as a API.
yeah.
I'm just
So if
seeing
you
if
want
there
to
is an
convert,
API management subscription here. No, no, we don't have API management, but I will show you how to do that. Don't worry. I
so if
can
you
show
want
you.
to convert the same one to the API, so what changes do we need to make it into
This
this?
one you have to make it as a connector.
Hmm?
Okay. Take this as web services.
Service server. Okay.
Now you are listening now because it is
Hmm.
API, it is constantly listening. Go to the operation.
Okay.
So you are getting some data here. You want to whatever you can put anything, put it very good. Okay. So whatever is the input type you are dating. So this is not XML, this is not JSON. Put as a single data. Response also you may or may not send. That's okay. So don't put anything. No, nothing. Save.
Mm, web service server listen connector. It means we are getting the data from some API.
This is ready to be created as an API. Okay. On top of this, we have to create an API and call this process in this. See,
Hmm.
see, any API process, okay, any API process should have this web services server connector. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, but this itself is not an API. This is a web service process only. So any API is something like, okay, in my one of the projects, we do not have API management. API management is
Mhm.
$120,000. So my customer did not take them. What
Okay.
she did was, we will do this as web services only, she said. Okay. This
Mm-hmm.
data by default, you can you can you can create a package component, deploy this, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you can use this directly without API management subscription also. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But if you want to do this as an API, because I changed this to shared web server, I got to create API application.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, create API. Oh, this is an API service.
Yeah. Yeah. Just a minute. Close this one. Okay. Create API means from this integration.
Because you created this as a web services server, this option
Yeah.
came. Only if the start
Okay.
connector is web services, shared web services server,
Then
then
only.
only you can create an
Yeah.
API.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Go to that create API. API service name basic API path. Publisher right. So these details. Publish API title means where from where we can get these details.
Yeah, this I'm just checking this one moment. But this there is a lot of configuration that needs to be done. So I'm just seeing if it is configured or not.
Okay. Resource path, water resource, basic material and description. So whatever API we are using for this, we need to add it there only uh,
Mhm.
in the web service server.
Yes, not in
Okay.
the web service server.
Create API configuration. Okay.
In the process,
Hmm.
whatever is the process here, here you have changed it here. That is why you say create API option.
Hmm. Okay.
Mhm. So here we saw this one. That is why this is ramped up. Okay, remember one thing. There is
Mm-hmm.
always a process. Every process can be converted to an API. Okay,
Okay.
we are getting data in real time. For that to be converted to real time, the basic thing is it should be shared web services server. Okay. After that, you create an API just to give details to that, like what is the name of the process, how the link should be, and all that you create. That also you have to deploy. That will behave like an API.
Okay. Hmm.
We will come back to APIs. I'll take a different session because you have asked. I'm telling you. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We
Okay.
will do APIs one session.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see here if there is